Welcome children. In this video we are going to see about vowel sound U. In previous video we have completed O and this one is the last one. Like as you know A, E, I, O, U. This is the last one, last vowel U. So let us see what is short vowel sound. In this C-U-P, cup. We don't say cup, we say cup. T-U-B, tub. D-U-C-K, duck. See, in this U sound is very short, like a. How it's looking? It's looking like a. Wherever the U comes, you have to just say like this. You should not say coop, tube, like that. But you have to say cup, tub, duck, luck, like that. And the next one is long vowel sound. In this, the sound is changing again, you see. T-U-B-E, tube. Here we are saying U-B, U-B. And the next one is C-U-B-E, cube. F-L-U-T-E, flute. G-L-U-E, glue. Here in first one you have to say in short, it should not be U like that. And in the long vowel sound you have to say like U. The same sound will be there here, like tube, cube, flute, like that. Okay children, this is all about U. Okay, bye.